Welcome to Tigerlily, our 42-foot Choily sailboat that we've sailed from Seattle to Mexico. This is Colby, I'm Mariah, and these are our two cats, Namiria and Took. We're out to explore the Sea of Cortez this year, and we really hope you'll follow along and enjoy our adventures. It is blowing today.
Well, I think I might take the stabilizer back up.
It's the gusts. I know you can hear that. We are all just rocking and rolling out here today. A couple people went to town earlier this morning, and I'm kind of scared that they're not going to be able to get back to their boats, because the rest of us are just kind of hunkered down on our boats watching, making sure, because we're all kind of a little worried about our anchor slipping in this heavy of wind, because holy shit.
Oh shit.
It's like 40 at least.
Hang on, you might get sprayed. Shit!
I know it looks like we're at sea, but this is for sure on anchor. After about 3 hours of that, we are back to semi-calm conditions. A little bit more calm. We have had an eventful anchorage. They say it's supposed to be done for a couple hours, and then I think they said 2 a.m. it's supposed to pick right back up the same way, so that's pretty fun. Right now Colby is working on our snubber. He's gonna put like 2 or 3 more ropes.
This is Kariba on 16.
Yeah, the one that broke their sail, or broke their anchor. The one thing I love about the sailing community, everybody is so helpful and so like willing to help each other out. Oh boy. Oop, I don't know how well you can see me right now, but it was calm, not calm, but it was a lot less windy there for a couple hours, and it's about, what time is it now?
6:15.
6:15, and it's starting to get really windy again. It's starting to get really gusty. Thankfully, everybody got back to their boats in the lull there, and everybody fixed their stuff. The people whose anchor broke set over there. These guys got back to their boat and took down their anchor, or their sail that was slowly coming out. So we put it, he said we put a seconds number on. So people got prepared for this second bout of wind. So hopefully nothing catastrophic happens this time, especially since it's at night. So it's a lot worse. So yeah, all of us are kind of just sitting outside waiting, watching for it to happen again. They said it was supposed to start between midnight and 2 a.m. So it's starting early again like it did this afternoon, because it was supposed to start this at 9 o'clock. So hopefully that means it will be over sooner this time as well. But I guess we'll see.
Good morning. It is currently noon. Look at that. It's actually it's actually noon. I was up throughout the night. The bad storm was supposed to start around 4 to 5 in the morning. I stayed up until about 5:30 a.m. and then finally fell asleep. It did blow a little last night, but nothing nearly as bad as during the day yesterday. I fell asleep around 5:30, woke up again at 9, made a cup of coffee, and I've been up since then. And it's still windy, it's still a little choppy. I'll show you out there. It's still, you see boats bobbing up and down. It's not terrible though. And then tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so one of the boats, or the cruiser that lives full-time here now, Sherry, I think is hosting some sort of like I guess is kind of like a Thanksgiving potluck type thing, and I know of at least 3 other boats that are going, so we'll make something to bring with us and go to a potluck and hopefully feel a little bit at home having a Thanksgiving with a bunch of friends. Duke, look at him up there. He's as happy as could be. He's as happy as could be.
It is Thanksgiving. We are still in Bahia Ascension, and we are getting ready, packing up all of our stuff to go to shore to have a cruiser Thanksgiving potluck. So everybody's getting ready to head over, and we made stuffing and coffee cake. So super excited for that. We just fed the boys, and now we're headed out.
Look how pretty and blue it is.
I know, right?
Wasn't like that the other day. Fish. It's a lot calmer then.
So pretty.
Right? You just come in today? Yeah. And then I saw you there. It's a beautiful boat. Okay. Yeah. Nice boat.
Oh yeah, it would be. As you could see, we are at the cruiser Thanksgiving potluck. It's really fun so far. We're at La Bufadora Inn, and we're going to see the blowhole that it is named after.
Bufadora means blowhole. All right, sorry for the hair. We are back from our cruiser get together, which was a heck of a lot of fun. There must have been, I don't know, how many people do you think there were? 30 people? Yeah, there, and pretty much every boat that's anchored here went up to Sherry's and did a whole meeting. There was so much food and all really good and great company, and yeah, it was just really fun. If you're planning a trip down here, I highly suggest Bahia Ascension and go hang out with Sherry for a little bit. We are leaving tomorrow for Hippolito, which is just 4 or 5 hours south of here. So I'm going to, so we're gonna kind of nonchalantly get out of here in the morning. I'm still kind of putting things away on the boat after a day of cooking and a week of heavy weather and just spreading out on the boat. Seems like whenever we anchor somewhere for very long, it's just stuff gets everywhere. But yeah, that's what we'll be doing.
Good morning. It is sadly our last day here in Bahia Asuncion, and we had a lot of fun last night at the cruiser potluck Thanksgiving. I took a little bit of video there. Yeah, it was really fun. And I am taking down Starlink and getting last minute prep done here in the boat so we can take off. And with that, we are picking up anchor right now and heading out. All of our buddy boats are heading out with us, so it's gonna be a pretty good sail today. It should be about 4 to 5 hours. Well, I think we're gonna sail the whole way, so probably be about 6 to 8, but I'm really looking forward to this sail.
Get over here. Yeah, there you go.
Now the spinnaker is gonna start bluffing.
Yeah.